Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and in today's video we're going to be looking at this. It's from, I believe the company is Ringke, and I want to say thank you to the people over at MobileFun for supplying this to me, as well as some other cases. Link down below for all those, and a link down below to MobileFun, and once again thank you to them for supplying this for the video. Anyway, this one, and it is the Ringke, I think that's how you say it, the Ringke Fusion X for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it's the black one. Ooh, let's do I have to rip it open, or can I open it from the bottom? Okay, well, let's just rip it open, shall we? Ah, yes. And, well, bam. That's not a bad looking case, is it? So it tells you here with regards to removing out of film, because it has got like a piece of film on here. Happy days. Has it got one on the outside as well? Yes, it has. So let's try and get this one off first. How am I pulling it off? What do those instructions say? Okay, we'll try. If I can get it from the top. They should have had some kind of pull tab, shouldn't they? This is going to annoy me. Stick with me. I'll fast forward past this part. Alright, so, tell you something, that was a massive pain in the balls. Finally got it. So let's just kind of pull it off the back of it here. I'll be honest with you, this has kind of left a sour taste in my mouth already, because it should not have been that difficult just to bloody pull the plastic off it. Anyway, let's just give the phone a quick little wipe to get rid of some of the dust. Let's stick it into the case. That's nice and easy to put in there. And we've got one on this side as well, haven't we? Yeah. Right, give me a couple of more minutes. I'll just take this one off as well. Be right back. Alright, so this one didn't take as long. It took me about 15 seconds to get to this point. This one's a lot easier. That's how it should be. It's still a bit difficult, bit of a pain in the balls, but yeah. That looks really nice now it's on, doesn't it? Huh? Tell you what, let's take it around the case like I always do. At the bottom of it, as you can see here, we've got the nice cutout for the USB Type-C and the microphone, as well as the speakerphone there. Going down the side of the actual phone, you got the power button and the volume up and down. And it looks like they've got like little cutouts. You can see the phone. So hopefully, oh yes, super easy to press. I'm liking that a hell of a lot. That's really nice. Going to the top, got the perfect cutouts there for those two little microphones. And as we always know, completely flush all down this side. And then like a little phone charm or lanyard, whatever you want to kind of try and stick in there. I say lanyard, I mean like a wrist strap. I say lanyard every time. Anyway, on the front, you've got a nice lip here at the bottom, and a nice lip there at the top. So when you do kind of put your phone down, it's raised up there. What I've noticed on this though is it actually goes down, just like the official Samsung cases. You can see it there, you can see the edge of the screen. So when you are kind of like in the phone, let's say you're going across and you're swiping on, you can feel the side of the phone. That feels really nice. I like that a hell of a lot. So an example, you got like your little edge panel there. Easy to do. Yeah, I like this. That's really nice. Anyway, back of it, see there the actual camera. It is recessed in there a tiny bit. So you do get a bit of protection. So when you do put it down, boom, happy days, no problems at all. To be honest with you, at the beginning, because of the blooming film, it kind of put a bit of a sour taste in my mouth. But then I've played with it just for these couple of minutes. I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. So again, look, it's the Fusion X. As you can see there, the branding on it. Yeah, I do like it. It feels really nice in the hand. It feels solid. The material itself, it would be nice if it was a little bit more rubberized. It does feel a little, I don't want to say cheap, because it doesn't feel cheap, but it doesn't feel premium, let's say. If this was like the rubber from the official cases, then this would be the case to beat, trust me. That's really nice. It's got some nice little kind of details on the back. Got the Ringke logo, got like pretend screws. So it's got 3 of those. Don't get me wrong, it's nice, I like it. Feels really nice as well. Alright, I definitely recommend it if you can be fart-assed around with the actual plastic. As you can see on the back of it, here at the top, that's where I was trying to scratch it. Well, not scratch it, but to try and get the film off there. So it's left a bit of residue, so I'd have to take that off and clean it anyway. But yeah, it's a bit of a... That's the only downside for it, is with these. These were annoying, but apart from that, it's a very solid case. Definitely one I could recommend. Yeah, I do like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, any questions with regards to this or anything else, hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash the like button. Smash, smash, smash. And go on, subscribe. It's free, honestly. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll see me. Well, once again, you don't see me, but you see these puppies, and you hear this voice in my next one. Cheers, everyone.